It's incredible how easy he makes that look. Ouch! Right to the head. Bam! Another kick. Another shot with the boot.
Oh, man. How do you beat an opponent that can do that to you?
And that was of the slobber knocker variety. A shot to the gut.
Missed him.
And slammed down right on his kisser.
Oh, mama! He's putting those educated feet to good use. Ow! Big left hand. Oh, what a shot!
He just turned him inside out.
Godfather connects.
And he unloads with everything he's got. Look out. What a landing.
Whoa!
He hits the high-risk move.
I just can't get over what we saw. That was so great. Animal counter. Oh, right on the spine.
He almost beheaded his opponent with that clothesline.
Oh, my gosh. You hear how his leg connected?
Godfather. Oh, my God. That's it. Godfather looking to end this.